Hey everyone, if you're wondering whether you can download audio from ElevenReader for offline listening, this tutorial will walk you through the available options. I'll show you where to look for download features, what to expect based on your account, and a few things to keep in mind. First, launch the ElevenReader app or open the website in your browser, then sign in to your account. If you don't already have one, create a free account before continuing. Next, open the document, article, or book that you want to listen to. Once the content is loaded, you'll have access to the available playback and file management options. Now look for a download, offline, or save option in the playback screen or the document menu. The available features may vary depending on the version of ElevenReader you're using, your device, and your subscription plan. If your version of ElevenReader includes offline downloads, select the download option and wait for the content to finish saving. Once it's complete, you should be able to access it from your offline library or downloaded content section. If you can't find a download feature, so it may not be available for your account, platform, or the specific content you're viewing. In that case, check whether the feature requires a different app version or a paid subscription, or continue streaming the content while you're connected to the internet. To make sure you have access to the latest features, keep ElevenReader updated through your device's app store or use the latest version of the website. New features and improvements are added over time, and that's everything you need to know about downloading audio in ElevenReader. Feature availability can vary, so it's always a good idea to check the latest version of the app. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.